In the box. 3-foot double braided USB-A to Lightning charging cable for charging compatible devices. 2-pack, dark gray. Universal compatibility. Works with iPhone SE, 2nd Gen, 11, XS, XS Max, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8 7ths Plus, 7 6ths S Plus, 6S, 6 Plus, 6 5ths S, 5C, 5, iPad Pro, iPad Air, Air 2, iPad Mini, Mini 2, Mini 4, iPad 4th Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen, iPod Nano 7th Gen and Beats Pill Plus. MFi-certified. Uses Apple's original C89 smart chip to recognize and connect to Apple devices immediately. MFi-certified cables provide a safe and stable charging solution. Fast charging. Wide diameter wires and reduced cord resistance maximize charging speed, supports up to 2.4 amps charging current. Durable design. Added layer of protection to Lightning and USB ends for improved durability and to reduce fraying. Cable tested to bend 90 degrees 10,000 times. Secure fit. Sturdy unibody connectors resist damage while ensuring a secure fit with every insertion. Top reviews from the United States. Quality build. I like these cables. I miss the 10 feet cables Amazon used to offer, and when mine went bad I replaced it with this. Good quality and build. Feels like it'll take a beating and keep on charging. Doesn't feel like it will break internally as easily as standard Apple cords either.